Guys, this is Jazz Unboxing Corner, and today I have got another unboxing, and this time it's CAD Audio U9 Omni Condenser microphone, because many of you were complaining that my voice is not that much good, so I have decided and got a condenser microphone, and I think that this is one of the smallest condenser microphone. And let's proceed for unboxing. So as you can see, the package is here, and this is made by CAD Audio, which is not present in all over the world, but they operate from USA. And so as you can see, the specifications, specification frequency response is 50 Hertz to 18 kilohertz, and polar pattern it's omnidirectional, resolution 16-bit / 44.1 kilohertz, and the way of input is USB, and it also has a slot for 3.5 mm audio jack. So as you can see, if you want to check any specifications, and pause and check it out. And so let's proceed and remove the box itself. So here is the bad boy, and here is a product specification and paperwork. It's compatible with both Macintosh and Windows, all the versions. So here is this specification paper, and so here is the package, nothing more, only the pen drive itself. So coming to the product itself, as you can see, it's a USB style and some branding on the top, and I think this red portion is for LED notification, and on the top you can see some tiny dots from where your audio will be input inside. And on the side here is a metallic cage from your, which will remove your air from your mouth. And this is 3.5 mm jack, from which, in if you want to check it out for what you are recording, and it can turn about 180 degrees. So as you can see, from here back to here, so you can put it on any angle. And I think this is the world's smallest condenser microphone, and the price of this in around India, it's changing every time, because 2 days back when I was trying to buy, and it was around 1600 plus, and today it's around 1500 plus when I got it. So the price keep on changing, but official price is $29 as on their site, and globally. And after that you can get it from any way of the site. If you want to check, I will provide a link in the description down below, and in this video's later part will be the audio test. Hello, mic check 1 2 3, and this part is being recorded by U9 mini condenser microphone. If you like the video, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching the video.